Hey, welcome back to the channel. I am here with a video from the footage that I took last year for Mother's Day when my husband sent me away for 1 month to live in an RV resort. Yeah, he sent me away because I was stressing him out, and so he told me, I'm gonna hook up the RV at this resort in Pam Desert and you just have to live there by yourself until you can figure it out. So that's just what he did, and he set me up here at this beautiful resort. It had so many amenities and beautiful scenery. I want to bring you with me to show you the area in case you're interested in getting away. I think every mother deserves a month away from their family. It definitely made a huge difference for me. 10 out of 10 recommend. This is the little area I stayed at, and I did have visitors quite a bit during the time that I was here, so I wasn't alone the whole time. But this is my cute little RV area. I'm going to show you inside real quick. It is a bit messy. I am a messy kind of person. I'm working on it. But it has lots of space, kitchen area, table area that, you know, it sleeps 10. So if 10 people wanted to cram up in here, they could. It also has this big bedroom. Like I said, I wasn't planning on showing you this. It was a last minute thing, so I didn't clean up. And the freezer is big enough to fit like ice and a whole bunch of stuff. And this is my food for the week. So yeah, I'm not having to worry about cooking for anybody. That's different. And here's the bunks. I'm just kind of using it for storage for now. And if anybody wants to stay the night, they can sleep there. Sorry, it was kind of dark in there, so let's look around the resort area. This is a huge property area that has a lot of different RV spaces. I believe there's like 150. I'm on one side, but there is another side over on the other end. It gets very busy here when it's not hot, so you have to come at a time that it's not hot. If you come anytime in the summer, you will not survive. Here's the main clubhouse. This was a spot that we like to come hang out. We would kind of get out of the RV area whenever I had company and come over here and just hang out and watch TV or just talk or bring our food over and eat. There's plenty of spaces. I even came over here to do some work and get out of the RV for a little bit. They also have like breakfast that you can come and get. There's a kitchen area over there, or even lunch. They'll serve that and you just have to pay. But you can even use this space if you wanted to. Some people get married here. Yeah, it's a whole thing. And there's a stage. You can like perform and do all of that. But on this other side, that's the side that we like the most because it had the pool tables and we enjoyed playing pool. Me and the boys and my husband. And whenever I had other family over, we would come over and play. It has TV, all that. Yeah. So it has a nice spread out area here so you can come and do different things. And we can't use the kitchen area, but that's for the staff. So just so you know, in case you were thinking, I wonder if we can use the kitchen area. No, we can't. All right, we're going to go to the main pool area. There are 2 pools. This is the main one. And this is also where they have like barbecue functions. You can buy a barbecue plate for like $10. There's the jacuzzi. Yeah, there's a lot of seating, a lot of space. I never did have to worry about like finding a place to sit. Even when Stagecoach was here and Coachella, it got really crowded. All these chairs were full, but there was still a lot of space left. The pool is actually really nice and clean. They kept it maintained, which is nice. They have cabanas that you can rent. So when it gets crowded, you can secure your spots. It's very relaxing. It's quiet right now. Nobody's really here at this time. During the weekdays, it's not as crowded. During the weekends, it starts to get a little crowded. I was here during the festival season, so I've seen people come and go. But I love the landscape, lots of beautiful plants, and we're gonna go inside to the fitness center area where you can get your workout on. I'm going to show you the bathrooms real quick so you can kind of see how they have it set up. Restrooms, sinks, showers. Over here they have a little drying thing you can put your suit in and dry it up. I want to say I utilized this space the time I was here, but I did not. But if you are a gym person, you would love this, I think. It seems like they have a nice variety of equipment. So I need to get into it. I really do. I never found enjoyment in it. I don't know. Do people actually find enjoyment in working out? Look at that beautiful view though. Yeah, if you do, tell me how to find it because I want it. All right, we're gonna go out the other end. I'm gonna show you the other side. I'm loving the grass out here. Look at this. My son and his girlfriend at the time, they took pictures over in this area right before they went to prom. They had prom in this area, so they came by, took some pictures, came to say hi to me. They were so sweet. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. They also have weddings out here. If anybody's ever interested in that, you can check out their website. They have all the details there and they show pictures. It's actually really beautiful. All right, I'm headed back to my spot over here, my little cozy corner, 604. And this is what the outside looks like. There's like an outdoor refrigerator, grill. Definitely had to put that to use. My dad let me use his scooter, and why don't we go on a little ride and I can show you a little bit more around. So I did go on this thing almost every day and drove around. It was so fun. I felt like a kid. Warning, this action may lead to injury or a hell of a good time. Either way, be careful. I'm taking you to the other side. This thing's dangerous. Okay, I'm here. All right, here's the pond area. And this is where you can come and just sit and watch the ducks and relax. I would usually walk over here in the mornings and watch the ducks and just have a peaceful moment. Mind you, the whole time I'm here, I am working remotely. So I'm still working, but I'm able to do it remotely from inside here. And it was nice. The only time I had to go back was to go into the office once a week, but which wasn't too bad. So my husband had got me that hammock, and I still have that hammock. Yeah, just a beautiful getaway here, and it was just really nice to have it all to myself and relax and get a lot of time in to really just love on me a little bit, which is not the norm at this time. I'm getting better at it now, a year later, but yeah, it was really nice. I had my son over for prom. He stayed the night and then kind of hung out with me the next day, and we were just having fun in the pool and got to go around the area. They had a lot of different restaurants and ice cream shops and drink shops, so lots to do in the area. Like I said, it's Pam Desert, so yeah, you just have to look up what to do in Pam Desert and you'll find all kinds of stuff. Oh, here's a much better view of the inside. I'm just kind of showing you around with the sunlight actually coming in. But yeah, like I was showing you, this is the master bedroom area. Here's the other side. There's storage for clothes and all that there and underneath the bed. And that's the view outside the kitchen window or dining room window. And in here is the bathroom. I didn't show you this, but here's the bathroom, the shower, and the sink area. There's space in the medicine cabinet, so it's pretty spacious, I would say. Not too bad for an RV restroom. I think a lot of people assume it's a very tight space, but it wasn't too tight for me anyway. All right, let's head on over there. It's not too far from where I am, so we can pretty much walk there. I didn't realize is how much time I needed for myself just to really reset and not be so overwhelmed with everybody else's needs. I think we tend to put everybody else's needs ahead of ours a lot of times, so get some time away whenever you can. It doesn't have to be a month long, but even if it's an hour, it really does make a difference. When we're not able to tend to our own needs, we really can't tap into who we are as an individual outside of being a mom and a wife and, everything else, all the other demands, an employee, everything that comes with what we do. And you deserve it. This is one of their villas that you can rent out. I believe it's a 2-bedroom. You might have to check the website to know for sure, but there are some nice villa options. I may not be a gym buff, but I am a swimmer. I'm a fish and I love to swim. We're almost here, so let's go ahead and get a swim in. Look who's waiting for us. We got a duckling family. One thing I can say since being in the RV community, these people are some of the nicest human beings I have ever met. They are very welcoming, they share food, they share stories, they share a good time. My only regret is not doing it sooner. Do you have any suggestions on where we can go next? We are exploring the California and Arizona area at this time. By far, this was the best Mother's Day gift I ever received, and I only hope that anybody else out there, whether you're watching this as a man or woman, would give yourself this time. But everything comes to an end, and it's that time to pack up and head on back. I'm telling you, this was an incredible nervous system reset for me. It gave me space to just reconnect with myself, and I'm heading back as a whole new person, a refreshed and more patient person at that. So we are gonna head on back. It's about an 1.5 hour drive home for us, so not too far. And yeah, we will definitely be back because we love this resort. It is a nice, clean, and quiet area, and I think you'll love it too. Thank you for watching.